Welcome to RS Technology. In this video series, I will show you how to make a professional photo gallery using HTML and CSS. Let's get started. Inside this project, I have used one h1 tag for my gallery and I have used one div for these images. In this image, I have used one image and one caption for all. Let me show one caption for all, like image 1, image 2 here, image 3 here, so on. So let's start coding like image 4 and image 5. When you hover on the images, you able to see image name like image 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so here we need one wrapper, dot wrapper, and inside the wrapper we have to use one container for all images, one container for all images. And in container we have to use write my text, my gallery. That's why we need h1 tag here, and we have to write my gallery, my gallery. Okay, after that we need image and text, like image and image name. So for image I'm using here figure tag. Inside the figure tag, class name is card, so I'm writing here class name card. And in this we need one image and one image name, so img, and images are equal to, I have already taken some images in the images folder like this, so I'm using here images rc images. Inside the image we need image 1 here. Okay, after that we need figure caption, so I'm writing here figure caption here, and inside the figure caption I'm writing here image 1, so image name is image 1. Okay, now we need to just copy this figure and paste multiple times, and you can add multiple images, so I'm just doing copy paste. Okay, so I have just copied this figure and paste multiple times. So come on the style CSS and write some CSS property for designing. So here I have already added margin 0, padding 0 and box edging, border box. It's a universal for all. Now we have to write for wrapper height equals to 100 vh, 100 vh, and overflow x direction hidden, overflow x hidden, and overflow y auto. Okay, now for container, dot container height 100%, height 100%, max width 1200 pixel, max width 1200 pixel, margin 0 auto for content in center, margin 0 and auto. Okay, and padding 20 pixel, padding 20 pixel. Okay, now for container h1 for my gallery, container h1, it means for text my gallery, container h1, margin 20 pixel and 0 pixel, margin 20 pixel and 0 pixel, text align center because I want to align in center, fully center, that's why I'm using text align center here. And after that we need margin bottom 20 pixel, margin bottom 20 pixel, and after that we need font size 3 rem, font size 3 rem. Okay, now for gallery, dot gallery, here we need to make display flags here, display flags and flex wrap, flex wrap. Justify content space between, justify content space between. Now for card, CSS for card here. For card with 32%, with 32%, and position relative, position relative, margin bottom 20 pixel, margin bottom 20 pixel, border radius 10 pixel, border radius 10 pixel, and then we have to overflow hidden, overflow hidden. Now for card image, we have to write dot card img. Here height and width 100%, height 100%, width also 100%, and then filter grayscale, because I want to just black and white image, that's why I'm writing here filter grayscale, grayscale, and grayscale 100%, totally black and white image, that's why I'm using here grayscale 100%. After that we need one shadow here, so I'm writing here box shadow, box shadow, and box shadow 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 20 pixel, and color equal to hash 333. Hash 333 is the box shadow color. Object fit cover, object fit cover. Now for when we hover on the card, then we want some style here, that's why I'm writing a card hover, card hover, transform scale, yani ki, that means I want to zoom this image when I hover on this image, that's why I'm using here transform scale 1.03, okay, for zooming this image when we hover on this image, that's why. So filter again, and I want when I hover on this image goes to color image, that's why I'm using filter, and inside the filter value drop shadow, and value 0 pixel, 0 pixel, and 10 pixel, 0 pixel, 0 pixel, and 10 pixel, and color also has 333, has 333, okay, and transition 0.5 second, 0.5 second here. Now we need card hover for image, when we hover on card, action for image, that's why I'm writing here dot card hover image img. For this I have to write here filter grayscale, filter grayscale 0, for just changing from black and white to color. Here also we need transitions, so I'm writing here transitions 0.05 second, 0.05 second, sorry 0.5 second, and now opacity 0, for hide this text opacity 0, and using JavaScript you use change the active class and opacity increase to 1. After it, now we need active text, so I'm writing here navigation ul li active, when list active, then a.txt for txt. Okay, we can use this active class using JavaScript. So here I'm writing opacity 1 for show the text, and transform translate transform translate y-axis 10 pixel for the text. Okay, now we need one div here, div class indicator only. So let me write CSS for indicator here, and I want to absolute positioning here. So I'm writing here position absolute, top minus 50%, top minus 50%, and width 70 pixel, and width 70 pixel, height 70 pixel, height 70 pixel. Background color you can use according to your requirement, but I'm using here a simple background color. Background this you can use according to your requirement. Border radius 50% for fully circled, and border 6 pixel solid, 6 pixel solid, and same variable that I have used. Okay, and after that we need transitions again here. So I'm using transitions 0.5 second, 0.5 second. Okay, for indicator before we need here some CSS like content blank, position absolute, top 50% left, minus 22 pixel, with 20 pixel, and height 20 pixel. Okay, and then we need background transparent, border top left radius, border top left radius, border top left radius 20 pixel, and we need one shadow. So I'm writing a box shadow 0 pixel, minus 10 pixel, 0 pixel, 0 pixel, and the color equals to var that I have already used in root. Okay, now for after the same we have to just copy this and paste here, and change here after, and just change the value. This is left value, we have to change right. Okay, now for card fig caption, position absolute, sorry. Okay, and then bottom and left 0, bottom 0 and left 0. I'm writing here for fig caption name, bottom and left 0. I'm positioning through the absolute positioning because I want to fix position. Now padding 25 pixel, width and height 100% and 20%, width 100% and height 20%. These all values you got from designer, or you can just hit and drag. It's a fixed value, you can change according to your requirement here. Okay, font size I'm using here font size 16 pixel. You can use according to your requirement, like what size you need. And color triple F has for white color. Now opacity I'm writing a opacity 0 for block, and border radius here 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 10 pixel, 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 10 pixel, and we need one background here. So I'm writing here background linear gradient 0° and 0% RGB this color. Okay, after that we need transition here, so also we need to add transition 0.3 second, 0.3 second here. Now for last, card hover fit caption, because you want to hide caption, that's why I'm writing a card hover fit caption. Opacity 1, when you hover on the card, fit caption goes live, that's why I'm using here opacity 1. And last, transform scale transform scale 1.03%. So I'm writing here 1.03 for zooming the fig caption here. Okay, let me save it. I saved it, and this also save, and just run it. Go live. Okay, so wow, when you hover on this image, look here, image 1, image name, and just zooming this image, zoom, it's working for scaling like this and this. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.